Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And yes, this is still Free Watch Face Tuesday. We got more for you to check out. So just call this Free Watch Face Tuesday round 2. All right, you all, let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, we got some more free watch faces for you on this Tuesday. And these watch faces are nice. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to the end. And starting with number 1, this one is definitely awesome. You gotta download this one in the Gear Manager store. It is free. And I like what this watch face brings to the table so far as design is concerned, in spite of the fact that it has a lot of simplicity to it as well. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look and you're gonna be minus that second hand, that awesome looking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. Really smooth. Adds some nice character to the watch face if you ask me. Now, looking at the watch face, I really like the hands, how they light up. They light up really well and always on mode, so you can see your time really clearly at a glance. Now, I like that you get your date up the top and the day of the week. You come down, you're going to get your heart rate info, step info, and floors climbed. I only climbed 1 flight of stairs. I thought I did better than that. Now, I like this meter gauge over here that gives you your step status info so far as your step goal is completed, and over here is your battery info. And you already know I hang out with low cell, so I thought this was pretty nice. It is an interactive watch face, so you can tap on your heart rate and it will bring it up. My watch face is kind of temperamental today, but it'll bring it up. So it is interactive. I like the look of this watch face. I thought it was an awesome look. I thought it was worth the review. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Number 2. Now number 2 is nice. This one is called Sport Digital Fit. This one here is going to be for the runner in you. If you're into exercising, running, or jogging, this is going to be the perfect watch face for you. Now in always on mode, you're going to get the same exact look. You're going to get a stacked digital time, which looks really nice, very big, very legible. You're going to also get the day of the week. You're going to get your date along with your battery info, and you're going to get your step status info too, steps, your heart rate info, calories burned, and floors climbed. This is definitely an awesome watch face for those occasions, or even if you just want to wear this for casual wear. This is definitely a nice watch face. All right, you all, check this out in the Gear Manager store. Remember, it's free for the taking. Last but not least, watch face number 3. This one is beautiful. I'm loving the design of this one. You guys got to hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this particular watch face, and let me know if you will be downloading this watch face as well. Now, this watch face is by SzaZs. They definitely always gets down on some watch faces. The name of the watch face actually is called The Future, and I can see the future in this watch face, especially looking at the animation that's going around the bezel of the watch, and I'm loving the design of the animation as well. Now in always on mode, I thought the developer got really creative with the look and the design of the always on mode compared to the look that we're going to get when the watch face is on. And when the watch face is on, it really looks good. I like what's going on with the index that's going around the bezel of the watch, the way it's lit up. I do like the uniqueness of the hour and the minute hand as well. You know, it's not basic, it's not simple, it's got a nice design to it, so I'm liking it. Right now, also in the middle, you go up to the top, you will get your steps. You come down to the middle, you go to your right, you will get your battery info. You go to your left, you're going to get your month and your date. Down at the bottom, you get digital time, which means you get the best of both worlds. And you go down a little bit further, you are going to get info on your heart rate. So I thought they gave you everything that you could possibly need in a watch face: time, step status, things of that nature. And I thought the developer really did a great job on this watch face. And if you double tap, you can customize the look of this watch face so far as the color is concerned. And the colors are vibrant. Very nice choice of colors as well. I thought the developer gave us exactly what we would want out of a watch face. Now, this is going to probably be my favorite color. I will be dressing super casual in this one. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know how you would wear this watch face. Will it be dressy, and or will it be just casual? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as you know, I'm going to say it again. I will see you all at the next video. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.